Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, I'm sure you heard about this infamous party that happened at Pearly Beach, and as a result of the party, the road was blocked. So for about 6 to 8 hours. So this is the road that was blocked for 6 to 8 hours. This is a northern coastal highway, and we're driving through St Ann's Bay. This is the St Ann's Bay roundabout. Now there is a very famous picture of a drone shot or drone image of this roundabout, and you saw the traffic. So this is that roundabout that was in the picture. Okay, so we're going around now. If we go straight, we'd stay on the northern coastal highway, and that would take us to Pearly, then eventually down to all the way to Montego Bay, through Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay. It runs all the way, the highway runs all the way to Negril. Alright, so this is the section of the road that was blocked. Now as you can see, it's 2 lanes, but you have the 2 shoulders, left and right. It turned into 4 lanes. So when you hear people say the road turned into 4 lanes, clearly you can see it wasn't that hard. I mean, the shoulder is on the left and the right. So I'm not exactly sure where Pearly Beach is, but it's somewhere between here and I guess Ocho Rios, because this is the road that was blocked. So basically they had a party, and I assume they got permission from the parish council, but I don't know if it's a case where people didn't expect so many people to come, or people didn't think they would just park and block up the road. I don't know. The police were aware of it. They were trying to assist with clearing the road, and the rain started, and apparently the police did not have any raincoats, so they could not stay there to assist. They had to go back in their cars, and that was another reason why it took so long to clear the road, because the police were unable to work. So this entire strip of road was blocked. And then, of course, you know, when you come out, the taxi drivers and bus drivers, they are not going to stay in a line of traffic. So like you see this car now, just switch lanes and driving on the shoulder. They're not supposed to do that. They're supposed to go down and turn where they want to turn. But that kind of indiscipline, you find people going out on the soft shoulder and creating another lane, and that only added to the confusion and the road being blocked, because on the shoulder people were parking for the party. So when you go and you make a lane on the left, you can go so far, and then bam, you buck up on parked cars, and now it's even harder to clear the traffic jam. It's harder for the police or the wreckers or whoever to get down there. So that just added to the indiscipline. And persons had to park far from the venue, I hear, far down the road, and walk to the party. So it must have been a really big party. But going forward, I don't think they are allowed to have any parties at this time. There have to be provisions made, or basically they're investigating what happened and putting in changes to make sure it doesn't happen again. But it was a nightmare. Can you imagine being stuck on this road at night in the rain? No, it's not supposed to happen. It happened once before, a major incident like this, when the Palisades road or strip was blocked, and that road led to the airport. So it was a major problem, and I'm really surprised to know that that kind of incident could happen again, because the police have the power to stop a car. And when they check the car, if the car is not roadworthy or the papers are not right, I'm not sure what the specific reasons are, but the police can call a wrecker to take up the car and take it off the road. They have that power. So I cannot imagine why it would take 8 hours to tow away cars from a party to clear the road, or the police give instructions for the people to leave. Yes, they said it started to rain, but even before the rain started, the police have that power. So I'm not sure. Alright, we're now going into Draxhall, and Draxhall is a very busy community. It's full of activity. They've built okay, on the left is the Draxhall Estates. Now it has A lot of different communities over there, hundreds if not thousands of homes, very busy. Now Draxall is, how would you say it now, it's probably one of the fastest growing communities in Jamaica. It has really come a far way. It's no longer just a spot between Ocho Rios and St Anne's Bay. It's a lot of development is going on up here. A lot of homes, thousands of homes are being built, and these are modern gated community homes, townhouses, country club kind of homes, homes that can be rented out for Airbnb. I mean, a lot of activities going on here, a lot. Now, to show you the kind of amount of people that live here, KFC recently opened a location in Draxall. And one thing you know about KFC, they build their stores in the best location. We have to give them credit. You don't really see a KFC store closing down because people don't come. So KFC has a store in St. Anne's Bay, and I think they have 2 stores in Ocho Rios. And they have now built one. It's open, it's up and running. And if you ask me, well, it's up and running. So for them to build a store so close to one another, to put a store so close to the others, you know that this is a growing community. When I say thousands of homes, I'm not exaggerating. Thousands of homes are in this area. Also, a Starbucks recently opened, and Knutsford Express, the bus service between Kingston and Montego Bay, they now have a stop or a terminal down here. Plazas are being built, but as it is now, they only have like one supermarket at a gas station in Draxall. Outside of that, you have to go into Ocho Rios, or you can go to St. Anne's Bay, which is much closer, to do your shopping, to get your groceries, to go to the bank. There are no banks in Draxall. Go to the bank. So basically, Draxall is between Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay, so you have a choice of where you want to go. Although it's much closer to reach St. Anne's Bay, and St. Anne's Bay is the capital. So on the left now you can see the KFC sign, and you can see a lot of plazas going up. I think 2 or 3 plazas are being built. So we're going to drive through and show you the residential homes, just to give you an idea. I mean, even call centers have offices or locations in Draxall now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.